I'm going to introduce you to a treatment called Laser Genesis. Laser Genesis essentially clears up like blotchiness in the skin. It also helps disinfect the skin if there's any active rosacea, eczema, or acne. So how it actually works is, imagine if this is our pore here. If we had an acne breakout, essentially the pore is swollen with mucus. How Laser Genesis works is it mimics our body's fever. So it increases the temperature up. So the laser actually doesn't touch the skin, it hovers about an inch above, and it goes back and forth. What that does is it heats the tissue all the way down. We increase the skin's temperature up to 39 degrees. At 39 degrees, parasites, fungus, and viruses die. So essentially it's cleaning out the bacteria. This is great for those of us who get persistent breakouts. You know, sometimes you keep breaking out in the same spot. Essentially a little bit of bacteria remains at the bottom. So essentially the pore fills up with mucus, spills, and then some still remain at the bottom. And so it keeps filling up and doing that. So Laser Genesis is great for those persistent breakouts. We spend just a minute compounding heat, and that completely kills the bacteria. It also helps get rid of the acne scar that's left behind. So we typically get a little bit of red pigmentation after we get a breakout. Essentially, our white blood cells came to help heal the bacterial infection. Once their job is done, they're not stuck there. The Laser Genesis uses heat. Essentially, it's liquefying that trapped blood and sending it back through the lymphatic system. So red acne spots are almost like a scab under the skin. The laser is going to heat it, liquefy it, and clear it out. So Laser Genesis is great for those of us who break out, because it will clear out the bacterial infection, it'll get rid of the redness, and it promotes wound healing. Laser Genesis has no downtime. It's such a lovely treatment.